Okay, so now that you have your site set up, the first thing that you're going to be doing is creating a blog because you and your partners are going to be doing several blog posts that we're actually calling deliverables throughout reading of the text. And it's going to give you an idea of just some good thoughts on different styles of leadership that you see throughout the book and how you can continue to build your survival plan throughout. So here's how you're going to do this. You're going to go up to pages and you're going to click on this. And over on the left hand side there's a blue button that says add. So let's click on that. And it's going to ask what type of page wants to be placed on here. It's going to be a blog page. You then have an option to name it something if you want to. For now I'm just going to call it blog, but feel free, you can totally name that. I'm also going to suggest under the page layout to go to no header, just because the picture can be rather large. So once I click on no header, I'm going to click on save and edit, and it's now taking me to this blog site. What I want you to do before you start typing anything is over on the right hand side you see all these random templates that you can add information on. Let's go ahead and just erase all those, and you can do that by clicking X. Then it's going to ask if I really want to delete it. I'm going to say yes. Next thing I am going to do is I'm going to now add some information over here. So I'm going to click on the bottom right hand side. It says new post, so I'm going to click that. Now I'm going to post the title. And the first one that you're going to enter, I'm going to ask you to write your last name in and then blog number 1. So I would say Stanley blog number 1. Because you both are going to be required to enter in a blog post, so it's really going to be helpful if you can put your last name and then your partner's going to put their last name as well. Then in order to start typing, it's kind of odd. You'd think that you could just click on anything and start typing, but that's not really the case. You're going to drag text from the left hand side on over here, and you are then going to respond to whatever question it is that we have. I'm going to suggest that you also paste it, which I have copied from the assignments, and I have pasted. Now you can see that this is actually quite large, so I might want to make this a little bit smaller. I can do that by highlighting it and then hitting the minus button. You just might want to move some areas over. And then just be sure to respond in a different color. And I can do that by hovering over the letter right here, changing the color. And I can start typing away. Once you're done, you're just going to hit post, blog post added, and you're going to close. And then your partner is going to be able to do the same thing. And that's all that you have to do. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact any of your English teachers.